I know.
So good.
That's the best thing too with quiche is really you put in the ingredients you love.
Yes.
It's about building the custard. Custard holds the stuff that you love together. So there you go. This is stunning.
Oh,
this quiche pan, I love it. I wanted to do a quiche. I didn't even knew you had a quiche pan in your collection.
Yes.
And somebody said, oh, we could put it in your show. I was like, yes, bonus. And it's old world or floral lace.
Yes.
To your most popular patterns. And it comes with a deep dish lidded. It's K47667 is your item number. And Lisa was kind enough to bring some new patterns, two of which sold out in the dish that Tara brought yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay. And I love our seasonals because they kind of just add a lot of fun to your everyday collection, and everybody wants to pepper them in when you're thinking about things like Easter and Passover and all those great upcoming holidays. But yeah, we're calling it a quiche pan, but let's remember, right? You have to name it something. Don't be afraid of the name. So what we have is that great 1.5 quart capacity. I love the fact that you have great depth there, scalloping along the edge, all the beautiful hand painting of the old world egg hunt, if you love this. And then look over here, this beautiful detail of the beading at the top. And then we have a lid that we call a deep dish lidded. Now I can lid the top of this. So if you want to protect your crusts, think how perfect this is so they're not going to burn on the edges. Or I can use it on the bottom. It can be a trivet, but I could also bake on the bottom and the top at the same time. And to your point, if you wanted to make that quiche in advance and maybe not bake it right away, let it set, just put your snap-on storage cover right there and you're good to go.
Because that comes with it. So you get all three pieces. This is for $22 for hand-painted stoneware. It's a phenomenal value.
Yes.
And it's on easy pay for you tonight. So 2 easy payments of $11 with your credit card. Let's walk you through the colors and what we have, starting with the seasonal of egg hunt.
So cute, so pretty. And again, won't be available until 2020 once this is gone.
So this is it, your time now.
And the same with our firework Freddy, which I love. So if you love those Americana holidays, and when you think about stoneware that it can be cold, so your potato salad could go in here, that's just perfect. So that's what we call firework Freddy. That's the red, white, and blue Americana. Underneath that, I'm in love with ocean Freddy. So if you love those coastal colors of the kiwi lime and the turquoise and the eggplant, that's perfect for you.
And these two, the firework Freddy and the ocean work Freddy, are the two patterns that sold out in the dish that Tara brought yesterday. I mean, I think we might have been a minute and a half into the presentation and they were gone. So please, if you want one of these two, you want to grab that now before it's in danger of going.
Yeah, absolutely. And then we have our colors that you've been collecting for over 17 years. We have the Old World Blue. Here's the confetti that incorporates all of the Temp-tations colors. Then we have that beautiful rich eggplant color. Underneath there is the green. Then we have that, I love this, the cranberry. It's not so pretty, that's your deeper red tone. Then we have the black Stacy, really classic. So if you're thinking shower gift, wedding gift, this is perfect. Then we have the spice. And underneath there, we have that great neutral in the brown.
All right, if you want the brown, I only have 3 dozen available and then it's gonna be gone. So grab this now, again, just as a serving dish alone, but you get the lidded and the plastic storage cover is awesome.
Got it.
And this is Temp-tations. You're gonna learn how stoneware keeps cold food colder longer and hot food hotter longer too. So think about all your picnics and outdoor entertaining. You're going to want to have some Temp-tations, you know, on the table for sure. Okay, but we got floral lace to go through too.
And then down in front of you are the 2 seasonal colors, okay? Again, only available at this time of the year. So if you love floral lace with that etching on the outside and then the beading at the top, that is called floral lace summer. So you can see right there the beautiful detail. Do you mind if I just step over? I want to show you the shells, but here's what I want to show you.
Okay.
Here's what you're going to see when you look at the dish this way. That beautiful scalloping and etching and the saturation of color. Really pretty, isn't it? Then we have floral lace firework. How cute is that? Red, white, and blue. You actually have
some of this left? I'm shocked.
So am I.
Wow. We're actually able to show it on air, everybody. This is usually gone before it even makes air.
Yeah, and what I love about it is because we don't have a floral lace or an old world red because they have sold out. If you love that red color, there is your fireworks right there.
It's a party. It just begs for a party.
It does, doesn't it?
And it doesn't have to be the patriotic. It can totally be a birthday celebration because it's just fireworks.
Graduation, something like that.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Then we have the eggplant. I know you love this. That really rich purpley grape color. Underneath that, this is stunning. It's what we call light blue, and it's a robin's egg blue. And then we have the spice. And the last color that we have available is the chocolate.
Okay, awesome. It's about a 10-inch wide quiche pan for you. Again, you're getting the lid, which also acts like a separate baker or baking sheet, and then you get the plastic storage cover. This is 2 easy payments of $11. We don't always offer easy pay. And Temp-tations has been here with us 17 years at QVC.
That's right.
And sold 18 million sets. And we will have a complete set coming up later in the show,
yes.
the largest bakeware set that they have. But this is a great way to introduce yourself to Temp-tations and what makes it special. And what is it that makes customers, you know, keep collecting over the years?
Over the 17
you?
years. You know what it is? We all get that idea of how frustrating it is to be in the kitchen. To prep in one dish, to serve in another dish, to bake in another dish, to store in another dish. How about taking 4 or 5 steps and breaking it down to one step and being able to prep, cook, serve, and store all in one dish? And it's not just any dish, like it's not this dish, it's a pretty dish, so that when people come to your table, you feel so proud and memories are created around the table. And truly, I think that's what we all want out of life, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Those great moments.
And I know you want to go back to the oven, but I say when you serve, the recipes even that you've been making for years in a Temp-tations dish that's beautifully hand painted, that has these vibrant colors, that same recipe you've been making for your family just looks even better because we eat with our eyes, you know? And it's all about sometimes presentation to get people to the table.
Like, look at this. You look at this, you say, oh, wait, okay, cookie with the little candy treats on top. All right, I'm in.
Got it.
But let's look a little bit closer. The fact that I'm baking on the bottom and the top at the same time. Think about when you're having company over and you're stressed for oven space and how you're going to get everything out. This is how you do it in a very affordable and pretty way. And look at that cobbler, Stace. Right?
Oh, is this a cherry cobbler?
It's a cherry cobbler.
Ooey gooey, and I see it. And here's the kicker. Look at how that pulls away because stoneware is naturally nonstick.
Yeah, and that's why our grandmothers used it, you know, because it actually is a perfect functional piece in your kitchen. But what we did at Temp-tations is we made it beautiful by adding the decorations and the pattern and the hand painting. Are you hungry, my friend?
If we can find a fork, I will dig in for
Found
sure.
it.
Oh my God. I thought we were going to have to go on Mission Impossible.
No.
Oh my
So we do
gosh.
things like cobbler, and that's just perfect. But come on over here and check this out, because as we're getting to the warmer months, and you think about going out to the patio, going out to the grill, the fact that now you can fill this with ice in the bottom, because like Stacy said, this is stoneware. It's going to keep your hot hot and your cold cold, and then you can put your antipasta salad right on top. How good is that?
It is so good.
And
you
it's
know
going
what I
to stay
love?
nice and fresh for you.
I don't have any burnt ends. I love that I actually get kind of the sauce from the cherries, as opposed to all of that being stuck on the pan and that gets left behind. So
and that's what we love about it.
It is absolutely divine.
It's amazing.
Now, with something like this, do we have to worry about metal utensils?
No, it's metal utensil safe, it's dishwasher safe, and I love that we brought it in the two most popular patterns that we have, the Old World, the Floral Lace. We popped in some seasonal, so you've been asking for single pieces.
Absolutely.
Love that this is a 1.5 quart capacity right here, so in Old World. The colors that we have remaining, because this has been so popular, is the Egg Hunt. So pretty right there. Only available at this time of the year.
And don't think just Easter for that. Think of anything to do with children.
I love
birthday parties for little girls or little boys. How about baby showers? The eggs are just adorable. They're family friendly.
And
it's
you
all
smile.
your spring. It's spring colors.
Yes,
Keep
it is.
Out all spring long.
So we have Egg Hunt, we have the Firework Fetty, and we have the Ocean Fetty. Those 3 colors only available at this time of the year. Then we have our blue and we have our confetti. We have our eggplant, we have our green, and we have our cranberry. Then in Old World, at the very end, we have the black, we have the spice, and the brown. And then we just have a few left in Floral Lace. We have 2 seasonals. We have the Floral Lace Summer at the end that has those beautiful shells. Then we have the Firework.
So pretty.
It's so pretty, right? Then we have the eggplant.
That is my most limited if you want the Floral Lace, the eggplant.
That's because everyone wants to be like you. Here's the light blue, here's the spice, and that beautiful neutral in the chocolate.
You're getting all the pieces for $22. I mean, usually that you get a plain white dish. With
That's
that.
right.
Or maybe like one of those ugly, not ugly, but plain clear glass dishes. You get it all, and it's on 2 easy payments for $11. So stick around.
I'll see you
I can't
soon.
wait to see your largest bakeware set, right?
And
Awesome.
an amazing